So you want to attract men's deep love and admiration, right? Everywhere you look, you're told that it takes flawless looks, endless texting, and being on Instagram 24/7 to get a guy's attention. But what you actually end up with is feeling exhausted and misunderstood. That's not even a joke. But on the bright side, when you share your dating woes on Instagram stories, you can do it with the perfect filter. If you haven't guessed by the title, Men Deeply Love Women Who Apply These 4 Rules is here to change the game. Even if you think your personality isn't your strongest suit, these 4 simple rules can transform your love life. If you compare yourself to every other woman out there, you might feel like you're just another face in the crowd. But the truth is, you have unique qualities that men crave. When women like you and me say we want to be loved deeply, it means a lot of things. We want to feel appreciated. We want meaningful conversations. We want partners who support our dreams. And we want to build a genuine connection without all the drama. The problem is, most dating advice online is so vague and superficial that even if it works, only a handful of people could actually follow it. But if you instead look for specific, actionable rules that you can implement right now, here's what you get: genuine confidence, active listening, emotional intelligence, and maintaining your independence. These might sound simple, but mastering them can make all the difference. Let's break down exactly how you can apply these rules to attract the kind of love you deserve without the stress and confusion. Because deep, meaningful love isn't about playing games. It's about being your authentic self and creating a connection that lasts. Number 1. His secret obsession. What is his secret obsession? It's a popular new relationship book by James Bauer. What does this book offer? In this book, James reveals the secrets that every man craves beyond love, beyond money. The crazy part is that there's a secret obsession to win a man's love, affection, and lifelong commitment. Shockingly, hardly any woman knows about it. Those who do usually keep it a secret because when you grasp it, you'll ignite such an intense desire within the man of your dreams, making you his top priority for life. To me, it's an amazing book, truly helpful for women, particularly those struggling in love. It might just be your secret key to unlocking your man's heart with pure intentions. This knowledge can be used to enjoy a fulfilling, happy life with your partner. Have you been longing to find and hold on to the man of your dreams? Or perhaps you seek a way to win back the one you desire for marriage and a lifelong partnership. If so, then it's time to get your hands on James Bauer's masterpiece, His Secret Obsession. Why trust this book? You are not alone. Many women have bought it and say that they have gotten a lot of help from this book. In fact, they got their interested partners back. And if you feel that you're not satisfied with this book after purchasing it, you can also get a 60-day money-back guarantee. I know you keep watching YouTube videos every now and then on how to make your dream guy fall in love with you. What if you don't waste your time on these YouTube videos and invest in something that has answers to all your questions? Haven't you opened the description yet? What are you waiting for? Go to the description and grab your copy. Let's end this point here and move on to our next step. Number 2. Show your best self. Science says your best self truly matters. It's about showcasing your brightest personality traits, good looks, and positive actions. So how can you present your best self in life? We all strive to excel at work, in love, and for personal growth. Here's how you, as a woman, can effectively show your best self. Easy steps to show your best self. Step 1. Personal style. Your personal style impacts how others perceive you and boosts your confidence and self-esteem. It's more than just clothes. It involves grooming, body language, and even your home environment. Your unique style silently expresses confidence, originality, and attention to detail. Studies show that people are heavily influenced by appearance. A distinct, well-maintained style leaves a lasting impression, changing how others approach you in work, social, or romantic situations. Improving your style starts with knowing yourself. Understand your body shape, the colors that suit your skin tone, and confidence boosters. Build a strong wardrobe foundation with high-quality, classic pieces and add trendy items to keep it fresh. Find inspiration in blogs, magazines, and social media, and adapt fashion trends to fit your character and taste. Don't forget grooming. Regular skincare and hair care routines greatly enhance your looks. Mind your posture and body language, as they are powerful signals of confidence and poise. Step 2. Confidence and upbeat attitude. Confidence and a lively attitude are powerful traits that make a significant impact on others. They change how people see and treat you. Your confidence and positive energy deeply influence how others, including men, perceive you. When you display self-confidence and optimism, your guy feels attracted to you. Studies agree that these traits are highly attractive. An upbeat attitude inspires him because it shows resilience and infectious happiness. Ways to improve confidence and upbeat attitude. Practice self-affirmation. Regularly affirm your strengths and positive qualities. Set and reach small, doable goals. Achieving these boosts your self-esteem. Exercise regularly. Physical activity enhances mood and confidence. Meditate. Meditation helps maintain a positive and calm mindset. Step 3. Impactful talking. Impactful talking can greatly influence people, especially men. Research proves this. Many studies explore the brain's role in meaningful conversations. For example, fMRI scans show that emotional talks activate our brain's pleasure centers, releasing chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. This makes us feel good, strengthens bonds, and reduces stress. Besides the brain effects, great conversations foster personal growth. Men gain self-awareness and emotional intelligence through deep discussions. Have you ever engaged in such conversations with a man? It's a wonderful way to learn important lessons and can significantly boost his decision-making, resilience, and empathy. Number 3. Create a connection. If you want to make your dream guy fall in love with you, you need to create a genuine connection with him. How do you build that connection? Here are some essential tips. Tip 1. Create shared memories. Creating shared memories is a powerful way to connect with someone. Science supports this idea. When we share moments, our emotional bonds deepen. Psychology shows that shared experiences release oxytocin, the love hormone. This hormone is key to building trust and connection. Neuroscience reveals that engaging in activities together makes our brains link specific areas, fostering unity and a deeper understanding between you and your partner. Tip 2. Encourage his time and energy. Encourage him to invest his time and energy in you. Show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings. Discuss important matters, listen closely, and offer emotional support. Share your own experiences to make conversations a two-way street. When he feels valued and heard, his affection and commitment to you grows stronger. Tip 3. Share your thoughts and opinions. Sharing your thoughts and opinions boosts communication and helps build a deep connection. Honest communication builds trust and connects him deeply with you. By opening up and sharing your heart and mind, you demonstrate vulnerability, encouraging him to do the same. This mutual openness strengthens your bond and fosters a lasting relationship. Number 4. Maintain a meaningful, satisfying connection. You've built a connection with him and successfully made him your partner. But how do you maintain a meaningful and satisfying connection? Here are some tips to keep your relationship strong. Tip 1. Stay interested and invested in each other. To keep a solid bond with a guy, it's crucial to stay intriguing and invested in one another. Nurture your own hobbies, as they make you captivating and add depth to your conversations. Be genuinely eager to learn about his interests, aspirations, and life moments. This mutual curiosity keeps the relationship dynamic and engaging. Tip 2. Cook and eat together. Cooking and enjoying meals with your partner is a delightful way to create special moments. These shared experiences solidify your bond and provide opportunities for meaningful conversations. Whether you're trying a new recipe or enjoying a favorite dish, the act of preparing and sharing food together fosters intimacy and connection.